Hey there, in this video we will see a quick demonstration of Instazon search wizard. Now this is an application which will quickly let you find what are the top ranking products for any niche, any category on Amazon. So let's see how this works. Let's get started. To get started, first select the source. You can select the Amazon site that you want to work with. Let's go with Amazon US. Then you got to select the category, because the category is the main thing where you will source the products from. So put in the category term that you want to work with. For example, let's go for shoes. Click search and you will see a list of all the categories on Amazon that have the word shoes. So you can pick any that you want, and when you're ready, just click on select category and you will see the category selected over here. You can also decide how you want to sort the results. So you want to sort the results by relevance or featured, by price. All these options are available to you. How many results you want. So if you want to get just one page from Amazon, whatever number of products they show there, you can choose one. If you want multiple, choose multiple. You can choose to filter for according to price, but for now let's take everything. Same for ratings too. Click on submit, and of course you will need to put in a keyword here too. So let's put in shoes and click on submit. Now Instazon search wizard is pulling Amazon for data. So as it brings the data, it's gonna show it here, and it's going to show the number of records that it's fetched so far. If you want to stop it, you can stop in the middle, or you can just let it continue and let it get all the data. That can take a minute or so depending on the size of the data, the amount of the data that you've requested. Let's stop it for now. The data will be shown according to the amount of data you've requested, the amount of data that you want, and you can select or deselect any row by just clicking on it. And then you can right click, and there are some options. You can copy the stuff to the clipboard. If you want to copy any row to the clipboard, you can do that. You can copy any single scene also. You can convert dimensions, you can convert weights, or you can extract more data. So if you want to extract the extra columns, if available, like main rank, review, rating, weight, ship by, all of these details, just right click, click on extract more data, and you will see some options like extract data for selected row, and it's gonna take a little while. As you can see, it's extracting the data, and then you'll see that rows filled up as they are fetched from Amazon. They will start filling up, and you will see data like this item is sold and shipped by Amazon, and the weight is 3 pounds. You will see all of that information, including the opportunity score. So do it for the items that you want to use, that you want to get the extra data for. Otherwise it's perfectly fine. You can just go on and look at the data sets, understand what you're looking at, and try and gain an understanding of this niche. Try and get an understanding of what's selling here, what's not selling here, how popular things are, what are the top items. You can even filter the items based on keywords that are inside them. For example, click on filters. Then let's say you want to find out what items are connected to women. So you can just type women, and it's going to automatically filter and find out all the item names which have the word women. And that's a great way to actually pinpoint exactly the item that you're trying to sell. For example, I have now filtered to kids, and if you want, you can remove all the filters and you will see the entire data set. You can do as many searches as you want. Go on, change the category, change the keyword, and when you're ready, you can even export the results. So if you want to take out the results to Excel, you want to have a look and do some sort of extra analysis, maybe apply some formulas, you can do that very easily. Click on export results, and you will have options to export to either CSV, to text, or to HTML. So you can export to CSV, which can easily be imported into Excel. This app is a great tool to find products that are rocking a particular niche, and then to filter exactly the kind of product that you want to sell, and then use that information to maybe explore that product more, explore that niche more, and then find out how you can either sell a product in that niche, or maybe a competition to the product that's best selling, or an alternative, or see how you can sell it on your sites.